Hello mga anak. Hello boss. Ulit na po. Go home na si daddy. See you soon ninyo. I love you.
Wake up, I'm wasted. Still realize the time that I wasted here. Feel like you can't feel the way I will be fucked up. You can't be right. I'll be fucked up. You can't be right. I'll be fucked up. You can't be right.
Uli na ta. Kay kapoy naman. Nata uli.
Di na yun, Soy. Ano yan? Wait.
See you soon mga anak. Uli na namin si airport na see you soon ninyo. Hapit na. Bye bye. Yo, abot na may baril. Pinas. Abot na. Pinas na, Cebu. Yo, abot na Cebu. Abot na Cebu. Pit na. Woohoo!
There, Daddy's nag-video.
Look one red, red ng shirt. I did red ng bag.
Daddy.
No. Daddy, you know. I really wanna be all up in your head. 'Cause when I gotta get, I wanna get some. Yeah, but girl, that's only if you were scared. And I won't knock or ring the bell. You just put that bottom up, baby. Yeah, I'll get you high. I knew you were so well. And when I walk in, all that I want to hear, you say that it's all for me. And I know you've been waiting for this love and you're dead. You know you're dead now, and it's time to play. So you ain't got to give my love anyway. So what my lady say? I ain't gotta do a lot of flexing. Shorty, you already know what it is.